Hyperon acceleration to Egnyte.com. Today I'm going to show you a lightning show. Lightning fast access to Egnyte.com, lightning fast uploads, and lightning fast downloads. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to bring up Egnyte.com. I also have a stopwatch ready to go. Here I am on Egnyte.com. Let's go ahead and start our first upload without Hyperon turned on. Right now there's no acceleration. I'm going to go ahead and pick our test file, 4.3 meg PDF file. It's a rather small file, but it's good for testing purposes. Let's go ahead and start the stopwatch. So what's going on right now? Right now, the upload is occurring from the user's machine, my machine, to Egnyte.com. As it's uploading, it's going through the internet, and upload speeds are highly volatile and variable, and it bogs down the user's process. As we can see right now, we're waiting for the upload to happen. While waiting, we're usually unable to do much, and it breaks down our concentration as well as disrupts our workflow, leading to a very inefficient operation. The speeds on uploads and downloads are slow because the internet is highly volatile. Just like driving a car through surface streets, where there's a lot of traffic, it depends on which direction you drive, the internet is similar. There's a lot of traffic on the internet, there's a lot of routing that takes place. So depending on where you're routed to, the speeds could vary. There's also latency and distance between the user and the server. It really depends on where the user is working from, whether they're working from Starbucks, from the plane, from the office. Speeds are typically very volatile and it's unpredictable. Hyperon eliminates this volatility and provides exceptional application speeds, 100% reliability, and improves efficiency and workflow. The upload has stopped. It's a minute and 20 seconds. Let's go ahead and log the time. 1 minute and 20 seconds without Hyperon. I'm going to reset the stopwatch. I'm going to go ahead and delete this file that I just uploaded. And then what I'm going to do is close the browser, and I'm going to start up Hyperon now. It literally takes 1 minute, and usually it's on already. Right now it's configuring, and what it's doing is it's connecting to all the accelerators located around the world on all 6 continents and over 40 countries right now. Hyperon has accelerators. What it does is it builds an accelerated connection between the user and the Egnyte servers, or the user and any other application that the user is using, those servers. It's an accelerated connection like a highway. So let's go ahead and start up Egnyte.com again, since the accelerator is now healthy, as we can see. Let's go ahead and log on. Alright, and we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and do that same exact upload. .3 megs. Let's go ahead and hit the stopwatch. And as we can see right now, it's already 30% complete, and it's only been 6 seconds. We can see the accelerator, and we can see this reduction bar. Basically right now there's a capacity increase of about 1.8 and 1.9x. The way Hyperon works is it accelerates faster and faster over time. So the second upload or the second download of this 4.3 meg file will be much faster. But even without the second upload, even on the first upload, it's much faster, as we see. And we're done. 51 seconds. Let's go ahead and log that down. Now, right there we reduced it about 30 seconds for a 3 meg file. A 3 meg file is very small. Imagine now a 30 meg file. A 30 meg file, this will translate into a 3-minute time savings. Significant in terms of user productivity. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to delete this file and show you a second upload of the same file. Let's say I went in and I made some changes to the file and I wanted to upload it one more time. I'm going to hit that, and it's already done. 1 second. As you can see, it's lightning fast. Now, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you some downloads. Here's a 24 meg Excel file. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to turn off Hyperon. I'm going to reset the stopwatch, and I'm going to start the download once Hyperon is disabled. Here we go. Let's start the download. Hit the download button, hit start. Actually, I'm going to redo this. I'm going to hit start right when I hit the save. Let's go ahead and hit start. So again, right now it's downloading from Egnyte.com, and it's taking the internet. The internet is equivalent to surface streets. A lot of traffic, a lot of volatility, frustrated drivers, frustrated users on the internet, breaks down the workflow, breaks down concentration. While it's downloading, I'll also tell you really quickly about Hyperon. It takes about 10 minutes again from start to finish to be accelerated. Single setup, there's no equipment to install. Accelerates up to 10 different applications at one time. And we're done. So about a minute and 13 seconds. So let's go ahead and log that in. 1 minute, 13 seconds. And this is actually a 24 meg file transfer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, close out of that, reset this. I'm going to go ahead and start Hyperon up. Again, it's connecting to the accelerators. Normally it would be connected already, but just for this test, we're turning it on and off. I'm going to go ahead, as it's connecting, I'm going to bring up another browser. It's healthy now. I'm going to go to Egnyte. And here we are, we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and download this file one more time. Hit the download button. Hit the save. Hit the start. Look at this, it's flying right now. And that's it, about 12 seconds. So let's go ahead and log in 12 seconds. On a 24 meg download, it saved about a minute. Imagine now if the size of the file was much larger, which it normally is. Size of files typically range from about 30 megs to about 500 megs for graphic files. So as we can see today, significant reduction in the time that it takes to upload and download. And that's really Hyperon. Again, it takes about 10 minutes to get set up. Go to hyperoncloud.com and simply hit the turn on button, and we'll get started right away today. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.